Welcome back everybody. Today's video we are going over what icon tools you should be buying here at the beginning of August. What we're going to do is we're going to check out all the different icon tools that are on sale right now. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first place we're going to check here for any icon deals is going to be the super coupons. The first one we have here is a icon 1-year guarantee professional digital display circuit light tester with the interchangeable shanks for $69.99 at 12% off. Up next here, we have another icon. This one's got a lifetime guarantee. We got the 1/2-inch drive professional impact socket set. Your choice, $44.99, 18% off, and that will be standard or metric. Then we got the icon lifetime guarantee, 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers for $17.99 at 18% off. Next up here, we have the professional adjustable shop seat with tool storage for $89.99. $20 off, available in these 4 colors. I'll leave a card up above to my video on this. I have it. Now we're going to move into instant savings, and we got the magnetic tool mat. This one is going to be a new price of $19.99. That's going to be 20% off. Kind of sucks because that makes it a regular price, but twice now we had the 30 under 20 for the ITC members. If you could have snagged it on that, you could have got it for a lot cheaper. Now, the next place we're going to look here is going to be the ITC membership, and it always pays the ITC because you get a bunch of great deals that nobody else gets on these. Now we got the multi-spline screw extractor set, 15 piece for $49.99 regular price. ITC is getting there for $39.99, 20% off. Great deal on that one. Next up here, we have the 32-ounce ball peen dead blow hammer, $54.99 is regular price. ITC is getting it for $44.99 at 18% off. Then we got the T10 Professional Comprehensive Diagnostic Scanner for $1,699.99. ITC is getting it for $1,499.99, saving you $200. Great deal on that. And then finishing off this row, we've got the Icon Professional Master Ball Joint Universal Joint Press Set, 20 piece. This is normally $229.99. ITC is getting it for $179.99, saving you $50. Then starting off this row, we have the Extended Reach Ratcheting Serpentine Belt Toolkit, $69.99 your regular price on it. ITC is getting it for $49.99, saving you 28% off on it. Then when we got the Aluminum Bearing and Seal Driver Set, 16 piece, for $139.99 normally. ITC is getting it for $99.99, saving you $40. And the last thing in this sale is going to be the Icon Professional Radiator Hose Pick Set, 6 piece for $57.99. ITC is getting it for $44.99, 22% off. Great deal. And there you have it. There is all the Icon stuff that's on sale for the beginning of August 2026. I always say never buy Icon unless it's on sale. I have yet to pay full price for anything Icon. Now, if there is something you need that you got to have it now and it's not on sale, of course you got to buy it. But I always try to plan ahead and buy it when it's on sale. I've had other tools before, but now I'm trying to switch over to Icon. So I tried to pick it up when it's on sale to save me some money. And this is a good month to save you some money on Icon stuff. So as always, leave a comment down below. Is there anything you want to pick up Icon? Is there anything that you don't like that's on sale, or you're disappointed that's not on sale that's Icon? Leave that comment down below. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. Also, don't forget, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.